We're gonna make the best vegan carrot cake cupcakes ever. They're full of flavor, they're super moist, and they're topped with a vegan cream cheese frosting. You will love every bite. In a large bowl, we're gonna combine the all-purpose flour with the baking powder and the baking soda, the spices, which are ground ginger and cinnamon, and a pinch of salt. Mix it all together until the ingredients are well combined. Next, we're gonna add our applesauce, and our applesauce acts as an egg replacer and will help make our cupcakes really moist. Then we're gonna add our maple syrup, our vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and our plant-based milk, and I'm using oat milk here. Mix until just combined. Be careful not to overmix the batter because we want our cupcakes to be light and fluffy. And finally, we're gonna add our grated carrots, and it's best to use freshly grated carrots instead of the store-bought ones. It's gonna add so much more flavor to your cupcakes. You can also add raisins or chopped nuts, but because my husband doesn't like raisins at all, I'm just gonna be adding the nuts. Now we're just gonna gently fold all of the ingredients together until they're well distributed. While the carrot cake cupcakes are cooling, try to say that 10 times. While the carrot cake cupcakes are cooling, we're gonna make our cream cheese frosting. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then be sure to give it a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel for more tasty vegan cupcake recipes. Oh, and if you make this recipe, then let me know in the comments section down below how your carrot cupcake turned out. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.